Hi and welcome to a new process video. Daniela here, and I've been working with a bunch of different kits from the June kits. The main kit and the embellishment kit. I also used one of those colors from the color kit and some cardstock and the Pocket Life stamp set and the Pocket Life kit. And of course the beautiful torn notebook edge metal die and the skyline metal die as well. Well, today I want to show you how I decide for one color. Here in this case, I just took a look at my picture and decided to go with red and orange colors, so the red color range. And this is a monochromatic layout, so I just want to use this one color, and you can always combine black and white, of course, as well if you want to do a monochromatic layout. You see that I started by applying some color. I just mixed black ink with water, and I also wanted to see what the orange color from the color kit looks like if I just add some splashes. But I see that I have to add thicker splashes later, and I have to leave them on the paper, so I'm going to add those at the very end so that it can dry on the paper. Okay, so now I just try to have different paper layers. I have chosen two papers from the Pocket Life kit, and now I also added one pattern paper from the main kit, and you see that I just folded one edge so that I have different different paper layers, and it looks quite nice if you have different edges as well. And here I also want to use this paper stripe in the same color. We have a lot of pattern papers this time that bring us different color spots, and here I just use the orange stripes, and I fold them as well. So again, I get more dimension, and it really is an interesting way to use paper. Not only use it in a flat kind of way, but if you fold it, you can create different layers and different I don't know what to call it, but you know what I mean. It's just something different if you fold it. Okay, here I also work with a title in the same color. So you see that I pick all the red tones or all the red pieces that we have in the kits, and they match perfectly. So now I also want to do some stamping, and I decided to go for black ink. So I will just do black ink stamping here on the page to add some details. Here, first of all, I want to add a stamp here. It seems like a little tape. If you place the stamp on top of the cardstock and the paper, so it seems as like a little tape that adheres the paper to the cardstock. And I also used the metal dies, and I have the skyline here in orange as well. I just used one paper from the cardstock kit, and I love this torn edge die, so I also used this one as well. And here I went for some gray pieces from the cardstock kit, and I just used them like a little frame. So I place one border at the top of the page and one under the picture, and this is yeah, a nice thing to do. I also want to use the manufacturer stripe from the cardstock, from the orange cardstock, and that is a nice combination here with the other stripe papers. We've got the orange striped paper from the big pattern paper, then we have the stripes from the stamp, and here the stripes from the manufacturer stripe. And also in the end I want to back my layout with the orange striped cardstock, so this is yeah, stripes all over all over the page. Okay, so we also have a nice chevron stamp in the stamp set, and that is what I want to use as well, and I place it just here. It is a little eye catcher that draws attention to the skyline, and I also add further details like yeah, saw so much, and this is a story, something like that. And the stamp set gives us different phrases we can use when documenting city trips or city experiences, and that is what I really liked. So I messed up the little camera here, so I just place one of those pretty stickers to cover my mess. No one will notice in the end, you know it, but no one else. So don't tell anybody. Okay. Yeah, I also use my favorite chipboard frames here. Again, I love those frames. Whenever I got frames in my kits, I am working with all of them. I love them so much. You can use them in so many different ways. Yeah, so don't hoard them, use them. They are really, really nice, really special, and yeah, you can't use them often enough. All right, so you see that in the end I have a page which just contains orange tones and different shades of orange, and also some gray or black and white elements. And this is something that you can do sometimes to have a balanced layout. And now I also add some of this beautiful orange color that we got in the color kit. You can just mix it up with water to activate it, and yeah, in the end this turned out really nice. I show you some pictures later in the detail shots, and I really like the way this color looks like in the end. It's different from watercolor. It's a bit thicker, and you see that the orange spots are really nice. Okay, well, I hope you liked my monochromatic layout, and thank you so much for follow me along, and maybe you want to try a monochromatic one as well. I'll be happy to see your creations, and thank you so much for watching again, and see you soon. Bye bye.